Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we can create a React app using TypeScript. So here is the documentation I have opened and I am going to create the React application using this command. So I will open VS Code and here I will put and I will change it my app to React with TS. React with TS. So this will be the project name, and now I will hit enter. So you can see it is asking me to proceed, so I will just press Y and I will allow it to install. You can see now it is still installing, so please wait for the complete installation. So now you can see the installation is complete, and here you can see success created. Start the development server. I need to type here yarn start or yarn build for the bundles the app into static files, and for the production to create the production build, or we can type here yarn build to run the test cases. We can use this command yarn test. Okay, so let me change the code and let me first, because at the last you can see we suggested that you begin by typing cd react with ts, which is our project name. So first I will hit here. Okay, sorry, there is some mistake in the name. Okay, now it is good. Okay, so now you can see I have come here in the React with TS project, and let me open this project. Okay, so let me again start this first. To start it, I will type yarn start. So now you can see it is starting the development server. And you can see here it is opening the website localhost, and it is running at the port number 3000. And now you can see our project has started here. You can see in the browser. So it is saying that edit src app.txx folder to and save to reload. So to do that, we need to open the project in the VS Code first. So let me first stop it. To stop it, I will press Ctrl+C, and now it is asking terminate the batch job. I will press Y and I will hit enter, and now you can see our server is stopped. So if you will refresh this, then it should not find any server. Okay, and you can see it is not able to run because the server is stopped now. Okay, so now our job is to open this folder in the VS Code, and to do that, let me run one command. So to open the current folder or this folder React with TS project folder in the VS Code, I will type this command code -r and dot, and then I will hit enter. And now you can see it has opened the project in VS Code, and here I will see yes, I trust the author. I will click here, and now you can see this is the actual project in the TypeScript. So here again, let me open the terminal. Okay, so you can see here this is our folder, project folder, and let me check here the tsconfig.json file, and here you can see the target conversion of the target. That means when we will run this project or we will build this project, then it will convert our code to ES5 JavaScript. Okay, ECMAScript 5, and all things are here. You can see allow.js is true, and the include is src. That means the current code is written in the src as a TypeScript code. So you can see the extension is ending with tsx. Okay, so here let me run this project again. First I need to type here, that is the yarn start, and you can see it is starting the server. The development server will start again, and till that time we can understand the complete structure. So you can see here the public folder. So inside public folder we can put any file or anything what should be public, like we can put image, we can put any folder. Okay, and we can also put the HTML. You can see this is the HTML page, and on this page we will be working. Okay, so this will be the only one page where I will be writing all the code, because as you know this is the single page application. So all the code will be manipulated or executed on the same single index.html file. Okay, and so you can see here this is the public URL, and this is connecting the favicon icon. Okay, these things will, I think you will be already familiar with the HTML code. Okay, and now our work is to see here the app.css. Here you can put any CSS code here, and this is the currently working CSS which is used in the app.tsx. okay, so inside you can see here CSS is used. You can see class name, so this is the CSS class name, this is also the CSS class name. So always keep in mind here you cannot put only class. Okay, so when you will be using the TSX, or in the same way when you will be creating any app using React with JavaScript, then at there also as well you have to use CSS. Means if you want to use the class name of CSS, then you have to use here class name, not the class, only class as we use in the HTML. Okay, so yes, you can see this is the current local network hour which is running. So I think it is already open here. Okay, yes, you can see, and you can also see here it should also run now. Okay, so you can see edit src app.tsx and save to reload. So you can do that. Let me check. I need to go to src. Here it is the app.tsx, and we can edit it, like we can edit learn React with TypeScript. Okay, and now I will save here, and you can see it is again compiling the code. Here you can see in the console, and yes, you can see compiled successfully, and again you can see the change. Okay, and you can see tsx and save to reload. So you can see here this hyperlink is changed now. Okay, right, earlier it was only learn React, and you can also see here it is also changed here in this page as well. Okay, so now this is the actually the starting video or project creation video tutorial. And so let's see the next thing what we can see here. So this is the index.css. that means this is another CSS class file, and this is used might be here. Okay, so we will explore all these things in detail in upcoming videos. Okay, we will use the route, how we can route the URL, or how we can configure the URL for the components. As you know that in the React there are no page, everything is here the component. Okay, everything we will work on each component to manipulate the data to show different UI on a single page. Okay, so everything will be the component and their life cycle, how we can use, how we can manipulate, how you can update, how you can delete, how you can refresh the data, how you can refresh the complete page. So everything will be done inside the component. Okay, so yeah, we will see all those things in detail in upcoming videos. Okay, so you saw that tsconfig.json, where we can find the TypeScript configuration, and this is the package.json. Here we can see the complete configuration of our project. So you can see here the dev dependency is installed. Okay, and here is the next thing. So you can see here these are the script which we run actually in the here in the console. So you saw that we executed start, that means it executed this command react script start. When we will do build, then it will create this one and run this command. When we will do run this test, then it will run the test command. Okay, so let me again stop this server. Okay, so let me run this yarn test. So you can see now it is running the test cases. So this is the tsx is the test file. This is only single test file, and you can see here this is means connecting with the test.tsx file. So here this one. Okay, so yep, so these are all in this video for now, and you can see yes, our test case is passed. You can see here there are only one test case which is in this file, and just let me, sorry, not this one, in this file. So there is only one test case. Okay, that is render learn react link, and which rendered very well. So you can see there is one test case, total 1, and 1 of 1 is passed. Okay, within 21 seconds. So you can see here, press A to run all test cases, press A. So there are several options we can use, but we will look all these things in the later videos. Okay, in upcoming videos. So in this video for now, yes, this is all. Okay, so yes, thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. Okay, and if you have any queries, any questions, then please do comment in the comment section.